Fall 2 is a 2025 Indian Hindi language action thriller film directed by Ayan Mulkerj and produced by Aditya Chopra under Yash Raj Films, based on true story. It is based on a script written by Sridhar Raghavan and Abbas Talwar from an original story by Chopra. It is the sixth installment in the YRF Spy Universe and sequel to the 2019 film War. The film stars Hrithik Roshan, N.T. Rama Rao Jr. and Kiara Advani in the lead roles, alongside Ashutosh Lan and Anil Kapoor in provo roles. It follows Kabir Dhaliwal, a former law agent who, after going rogue, becomes a major threat to national security, and a special unit officer, Vikram Chilapati, is assigned to neutralize him. Principal photography commenced in October 2023. The film was shot extensively in Mumbai, with sporadic schedules taking place in Spain, Italy, and Abu Dhabi. The film's soundtrack is composed by Pritam, while Sanchit Barihar and Ankit Barihar composed by the film score. Made on estimated budget of 300 to 400 yellow crore, is one of the most expensive Indian films ever produced. Fall 2 was released on 14th August 2025, coinciding with the Indian Independence Day weekend, in standard IMAX, D-Box, ICE, 4DX, Epic, Dolby Cinema, and other premium formats. It received mixed to negative reviews from critics. The film underperformed at the box office, grossing 303 to 351 yellow crore worldwide. Nonetheless, it emerged as the third highest grossing Hindi film of 2025 and sixth highest grossing Indian film of 2025. Please, if you found this video helpful for you, please remember to subscribe and like to this YouTube channel of Kigali Vines. This is the home of entertainment, movies, stories, and comedy, for everything that can help you to enjoy your day of life. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for your watching for this video.